Well, it's nice and cold in Australia now, so when we're using our resin, we really want to make sure that our room temperature is between 17 at the lowest and around 25 degrees. So working in a nicely heated room and ensuring that the temperature stays steady for the whole curing process. So for the first 24 hours after you've poured. You might have heard the term of, if it's cold, to give your resin a bath. So what does that actually mean? What it means is that you turn your hot tap on, fill your sink, pop your resin in for a couple of minutes, and it will, in part A and part B, not mixed, the containers, both part A and part B, into the warm water, lid closed. Leave it in there for a couple of minutes and it will help bring the resin to a warmer temperature, easier to use, more pliable. And I'll show you how I do that. So who's having a bath today? Stonecoat is. And these are nice little quarter-gallon containers, which I like, even though I've got the gallon containers too, but I like the control this has. I've popped them in, and as you can see, I've filled my water just below where the label is, because I do want to keep my label. If I didn't want to keep my label and it meant nothing to me, I'm actually being pretty lazy because I can mark up here. One of the reasons I'm really wanting to keep my label is because I haven't marked part A, part B, even though I know part B has a darker lid. And it's been in for a little bit, but I'll just keep tipping it. And even though it doesn't look like it's doing much, it just does take that resin that's been exposed to the warmer, oh, you didn't see that, just up through there. And the reason that we do our part A and part B separately when we're giving it a bath per se, rather than putting it in its mixing container and popping it in there, is because the extra heat will promote the curing. So, you know, just doing this helps our resin be more pliable and ready to mix up. It's strange, part A is much thicker in the stone coat, and you can see that it's just not wanting to flip up. See there? Whereas the part B is quite ready to go already. So I'll give that another, probably another 3 or 4 minutes, and I'll just tip it every minute or so, and then this will be ready to mix up. And that's all on giving your resin a bath. It was just a quick little opportunity for you to visually see what it means, because we hear the terms flown around and don't really get to see what happens. Hope your resining's going well, hope all your pouring's going well, and I hope your creative heart is smiling. Thanks for watching.